The Big Ass Fan's CoolSpace 400 delivers impressive evaporative cooling for large workshops and warehouses, dropping perceived temperatures significantly without needing permanent ductwork or installation. Its 36-inch fan and high airflow output move a substantial volume of air, so hot, stagnant corners in garages or studios feel comfortable much more quickly than with typical portable fans. A large 46-gallon onboard reservoir, combined with the option to hook up a standard garden hose, gives this cooler long, unattended run times that are well suited to all-day shifts. The thick, treated cooling media is designed to resist algae and dirt buildup, which helps the unit maintain strong performance over time with less frequent deep cleaning. Variable speed controls, locking swivel casters, and automatic low-water shutoff make it easy and safe to position, adjust, and operate the cooler in busy work environments. The quiet direct-drive motor keeps noise levels surprisingly low for such a powerful unit, while using far less energy than conventional air conditioning in similarly sized spaces.